With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so let's read the question. Human body regularly loses cells in the region of, okay, so they are saying that human body continuously and regularly loses some cells in certain regions of the body, and we have to name that certain region of the body. Option A, skin surface. Option B, lining layer of gut. Option C, red blood cells. And option D, all the above. Okay, so when we talk about human body regularly and daily loses some part of the like cells from the body. Okay, the first and the most important part of the region of the body is the skin. Skin continuously loses cell, and many cells in the skin are continuously damaged, and new cells are continuously formed in the skin daily. Okay, because skin is being exposed to the environment, so it is continuously damaged and new cells have to be formed in order to recover that. Okay, so option A is correct here. Let's move on to the second one, that is the gut lining. Okay, so we know that gut performs the majority of the function, very important functions in the body, and basically because of that a lot of cells are being damaged in the gut, and therefore the lining of layer of the gut has to be, like, new cells has to be added. Okay, so division continuously takes place in order to replace the worn out cells. So yes, this is also correct. When we talk about the third type of cell in the body, that is the red blood cells or RBCs. Okay, they are also known as the erythrocytes. These are the cells who have a lifespan of around 120 days, and after 120 days they are basically dead. Okay, and new cells have to be formed. So as they have a limited life cycle, okay, they have a limited lifespan, and because of that they have to be continuously made in the body. So they are daily made in the body. So new cells, or we can say new RBCs, are made in the body by the process of hematopoiesis, okay, that help in the making of this new RBC or erythrocyte. Okay, so we can say that all these things are regularly lost in the body. All of these cells are regularly lost in the body and are continuously produced in the body as well. It means option D, all the above, is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.